Hey, good evening, guys. Steven down here with Beaman Toyota in Nashville, Tennessee. Going to show you a quick overview of the Toyota Safety Sense system on the new Toyota Camry. It is also going to be on your Highlander, your RAV4, your Corolla, pretty much everything you think about. Your Tacoma, your Tundra have a version of it. Your Priuses. Prius was the first to get it. So there's a lot of stuff that's really cool about the safety sense system. It's probably the top safety sense or safety system on the road, in my opinion. But I'm going to show you a few things on this Corolla. This is an XLE Corolla. This is an XLE Camry, excuse me. I'll show you a few things on this one. This is a very nice car. This is the 2018 model. So you see this one's got the 7-inch screen up here on the front. Also, this one's got the integrated navigation, but that's for another time. We're going to talk about the safety sense here. Safety sense is made up of 4 major components. Your automatic high beams with automatic headlights, which your automatic headlights is right here. Your automatic high beams turns on right here. So you can shut it off, turn it on. Up here, you can see how you can turn on your headlights, turn on your brights or off. This won't turn on your brights with this active. What it does is on your very center of your screen right here, you see it, or on the left side of your screen, it says that you have your automatic high beams on. It will watch for a vehicle in front of you using your camera that's mounted on your windshield. If it sees headlights or taillights, it will dim your bright lights. If it sees none of those, your bright lights will be on. No more of having to worry about somebody flashing you because your lights are too bright. So that takes away some of that concern for you. Another part that you'll have of the safety sense system is it's the safety sense P. It's your pedestrian detection and your pre-collision warning system. What it will do is it will watch for when a wreck is imminent, anywhere between 7 miles per hour and 100 miles an hour. If it notices a wreck is imminent between you and another vehicle, it will alert you and then apply your brakes. This is something that's done at the last minute, so it will not avoid every collision, but it is meant to mitigate a collision. So it won't avoid everyone. It will avoid some of them, but it will not avoid every collision. The other thing it watches for is a person walking in front of you. It's not meant to see an animal, but it is meant to see a person. And if somebody walks in front of you, it'll give you that same warning. That's anywhere between 7 and 50 miles an hour that it looks for that. So definitely, that's a great system. Another system part that we've got here, you see right here, this is your lane departure. When you click this, you watch what happens up here. You have lane departure turned on, steering assist active. What that does is it uses that same camera that's on your windshield, which is right behind your mirror there. It uses that, and it will watch the lines when you have painted lines on the road. So it will not work in like a construction zone with fresh blacktop that does not have any lines painted on it. It has to see the lines. Once it sees the lines, it will notice if you're going to the left, to the right. After you cross those lines, you'll get an alert. So pretty much once your wheel's right on it, you'll get a beep alert, and it will bump your steering wheel slightly to put you back in your lane. If you turn on your turn signal, it disables that. It knows you want to turn. It's also not something that will fight you or overpower you if you just decide, I'm getting over without my turn signal. I'm doing it regardless. You can very easily overpower that particular system. It's more meant for an inattentive or drowsy driver that is being less than safe behind the wheel. But definitely that alert tone will help to wake you up if you are sleeping. Don't sleep and drive, by the way. So anyway, that's a really cool system. The other thing you've got is your dynamic radar cruise control. Once you do that, it'll turn on radar cruise active, pay attention to other vehicles, and then your cruise control you set right here. That's your distance. So you see that's the furthest distance away, a little bit closer, a little bit closer. You're probably going to be somewhere about 3 or 4 car lengths or so at the closest. It pushes you out further as you go. It will always default to on when you turn on your cruise control, so it'll always be in the dynamic mode, which you can shut off, and it's always going to default to the furthest distance. The other things that default on is your pre-collision system will default back to on as well. So there's your safety sense system with the new Toyota Camry. Like I said, it's on several different vehicles. Some have a little bit different variation to it, but your automatic headlights with automatic high beams, your lane departure alert with steering assist, your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, and your cruise control, dynamic radar cruise control with your setting on there. That is your safety sense system on the 2018 Camry. It is a great car. If you have not drove it, you need to. If you're in the Nashville area, like I said, my name's Steven. I'm down here at Beeman Toyota. Give me a call, text me at 615-645-3039. Set up an appointment. I'm more than happy to take you out and show you this unbelievable new car. So definitely have a great day. Put any comments in the bottom if you need them. I'll try to respond to as many as I can. But yeah, your go-to car guy here at Beeman, Steven. I'll talk to you hopefully when you get here, test drive a new Camry. Have a great day, B.